right, welcome to another fun recording of a geometry problem. I have Mr. Houston Feldy here is going to help me with this problem because you guys all get sick of hearing my voice only. So, looking at this problem, the question is what's the shaded area of the shaded region, which is the region right there. So what's the area of that? Houston, what are we going to have to do to solve this kind of problem? What do we got to set up?
We're going to have to set up the
Area
to the area of the circle and the 360 degrees.
All right, I'm going to help them out. We're going to set up an area proportion. The area proportion on the left side, 360, is always on the bottom. Remember, the bottom is the whole, the top is the part. So the top piece is the piece that's shaded. Houston, should the top piece be 135?
No, it should not.
Okay, what should it be?
It should be 180 minus 135.
All right, which gives us 45, and 45 goes up top, because that 45 is the region that goes with the shaded part. You have to use the degrees of the shaded part to find the shaded area. All right, do you remember what goes on the bottom of the other side of the proportion?
Isn't it the area of half the circle?
You could do the area of half the circle, but this says 360 on the other bottom, so we have to use the area of the whole circle. So it's got to be pi r squared, which is the area formula for a whole circle. Okay, so for r there, what we're going to do is 18 is the diameter. So if we divide it by 2, we get r equals 9. So I'm going to go up to the problem, I'm going to erase that and stick a 9 there. The question is, what's the shaded area? The shaded area, or the sector, is what goes on top. That's x. All right, next step is to do what, Houston?
You cross multiply the ratio.
All right, so we get 45 times 81 pi equals 360 times x. We got the 81 pi from doing the 9 squared right there. Then after we do that, we get 3,645 pi equals 360x. Oops, I wrote that out of order. That doesn't make any sense. Well, anyway, that's the answer at the bottom. We got to divide both sides by 360, and that's where we get the 10.125 pi, and your answer should be 10.125 pi centimeters. That should be squared, not cubed. The end.